What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And today we are doing a what? Say what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my screen record. All right, and on the front screen is a picture of me, Jordan, and Dion at our wedding ceremony. And then when you open up my phone, I have a picture of Jordan, and I also have the front screen of it clear so that I can see my whole picture. At the bottom, I have my phone, contacts, messages, and Gmail. Then I'm just gonna go through the apps that don't come with the phone. So on the front page, I have alarm.com, and that's our alarm system. And then I have my banking, which is with Bank of America, Navy Federal, and State Employees Credit Union. I have Capital One, which is my credit card. I have GroupMe, which I had it since college, and then I had a GroupMe chat with with some of my coworkers at my previous job, but them helpers don't be responding no more. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I have Glow Baby, which is an app for keeping up with your baby's diaper changes, how much you feed them, also their improvements based on the age, and it's also a chat where you can chat with other mothers. I have Credit Karma, which I only use to see what's on my credit. I have VTech Baby, which is a camera that I use for Jordan. Say if we have to go downstairs or something. I have Booking.com, Pink, Amazon, Fiverr, for our logo, and also for our cartoon character. I also have AliExpress. I have my Bible app. I have Cost Margin, which helps me with pricing stuff on our website. I have Shopify, which is where my domain is with. Cash App, Zelle. I have Square, which I have a Square reader as well. I have a PayPal reader. I have my PayPal business and my personal PayPal. I have MailChimp, is how I send emails to my customers for JD Orr. Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Pandora, Pinterest, Walmart is my favorite app. Uconnect is for my charger, my car. I have the YouTube. I have YT Studio, and YT Tracker is how I track my analytics for YouTube. I have TubeBuddy that tracks it as well. I have Canva is how I make my flyers and my thumbnails. I have MyFICO, which is how I check my actual credit score. Google Photos. I have podcasts. Netflix. Oak is for meditation. Vagara is how I make my hair appointments. I have Flickster for movies. The Sneakers app is for Dion, but I put it on my phone because sometimes I have to order his Jordans when he's at work or he's asleep. Repost for reposting on Instagram. Glow and Period Tracker is how I track my periods. What else I have? Watermark, how I watermark my pictures sometimes. I have Amazon Alexa. Porches.com I'm going to delete because I don't use that anymore. Bless you, Mookie. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. I have Etsy. Bless you. Memetic. I use Groupon. Bless you. You doing it? Okay. I use Groupon. Bless you. I use my... Really, Jordan? You're not sneezing anymore. Okay, they got it. Got it. My Fitness Pal when I was serious about losing weight. Jordan, that's not nice. Stop it. I have hashtag and Tag-O-Matic. GoPro for my GoPro camera. Red Lobster. Jordan, not nice. My Verizon is who I have my service with, as well as Tech Coach. That's my Verizon as well. It ain't. We're not going yet. I'm still recording. The rest are, bless you, are my photo and video apps. Jordan. Mostly I use is PixArt. Bokeh Lens is if you want to blur out a background. I have Canon, so I have Canon Connect, which I'm not using the Canon right now. Stop, Jordan, please. Help me. Instasize, Boomerang. I use Fonto. I don't know why I got Facetune. I haven't used it. Next I have is Shazam. If you want to know a song, you can record it and it'll tell you the name of the song. Fashion Nova, Children's Place, and Sheen or Shine. That's what I use Children's Place for her and Fashion Nova and Shine for me. I have Twitter, but I really don't use it. I have GIFs. Fancy Key Pro is how I design my keyboard. You can pick all kinds of things to change your keyboard on your phone. Shutterfly is what I order, like our calendars and stuff for our mothers. And I send them out every year with Jordan's pictures for the whole year. I have Spectrum TV, because that's what we have. I have AAA, so I have an app for that. What the font is, if you see a certain font that you want to use, you can take a picture of it and then scan it, and then it'll tell you what's the name of the font. Have Eventbrite if we're going to certain events. Walgreens and CVS is how I print some of our pictures and stuff. Waze is an app that Dion put on my phone. As you can tell, I haven't used it. And it basically tells you when the police or where the police is. And then I have Bitmoji, Animoto, Photar, and Afterlight is something I downloaded but I haven't used yet. And that is basically all that's on my phone. And y'all, that is it. And we thank you so much for watching. And we will catch you next time. Tell them bye-bye. Say bye-bye.